everybody. Welcome to Tony's Pizza. Usually make the pizza here at our restaurant, but today we make it the fractions.
Hey y'all, my name's Miss Evans and I'm here to help Tony, who's Italian, make some pizza / fractions.
And she'll be from Sicily.
Hello, fraction pizza. I would like a pizza with halves. Order up, pizza cut in half.
In half? What's a half?
Well, I'm so glad you asked there, Tony. Tony, this right here is what I call a circle pan. I can do the circle pan for lots of stuff. Throwing stuff, wearing it on my head, but also solving fractions. So Tony, right up here, this says numerator. But Tony, don't you worry about that. Don't you worry about that right now, Tony. I want to focus on the denominator. Could you say it with me? Denominator. Woo! That's a long one. So Tony, what we do on a denominator, we just count the pieces in whatever we're counting in. So Tony, grab this really cool rocket jet engine circle slicer thing, and I want you to cut it just once.
Up in the middle?
Yes, perfect, Tony, perfect.
Okay.
Now, friends, if you'll look real close here, we're going to count the pieces. Are you ready? 1, 2. All right, Tony, so we just talked about the denominator, the one on the bottom. It's how many pieces it is. So you said 1, 2 pieces. Let's get our fraction pan up here. Now, so on the bottom is the what? The denominator. How many pieces of Tony?
2.
Oh, Tony, perfecto. Yes, Tony, very good. Now, I want to teach you about the numerator. The numerator is this trickster right here. That one's me. Let me show you how to defeat the trickster. All the trickster is the one that's going to be the one that's highlighted. So I want to highlight one with you as much as I can. So I'm going to scoop this guy up. So Tony, how many pieces am I highlighting?
1.
Just like you said that we would put a 2 on the bottom because we had 2 pieces. But Tony, just like you said, we're going to put a 1 on top because the 1 is the one that's highlighted, and that's your numerator. The numerator is highlighted or selected, and that's just the one you put on top. Great job, Tony.
Hi, is this fraction pizza? Good. I like a pizza sliced in thirds. Thanks.
Order up, pizza in thirds. Did you hear that, Tony? Now this one's different. They said thirds.
Thirds.
Do you think you could do it?
I think I can.
Let's go, Tony!
All right, then you may cut it here. Okay. I'm going to cut it into 3 pieces. I'm going to cut over to the middle a little bit, and then we're going to cut over this away a little bit, and then over this away.
Wait a minute, Tony. That looks like a Y to me.
Boy, it sure does.
Like a Y. Yes. Look at that. 3 triangles. That's fantastic. So, Tony, I'm going to get my hat / my tennis racket / my mirror out, and I'm going to get my denominator because my denominator is how many pieces. Tony, what will I put right here?
Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, Tony, you are so good. I'm going to put a 3 on the denominator. Now, Tony's going to ask me a question about the numerator.
Okay, Mr. Evans, if I have this, how much of the pizza do I have?
All right, friends, let's figure it out. He's holding 1 and 2. Those are the 2 pieces that are highlighted, selected. So I'm going to go over here to my fractions. I'm going to write 2 because there's only 2 pieces he picked. And I put a 2. Tony, it's 2/3.
Okay.
Woo-woo! Tony, let me tell you something. After cooking up all those pizzas, I'm hungry. How about you?
I'm pretty hungry.
All right. Well, Tony, you know what? I don't want no circle pizza. I want a rectangle pizza. So I want to share a rectangle pizza with you. I want you to have 2 slices, and I want to have 2 slices. So, Tony, if you had 2 slices and I have 2 slices, how many pieces will we have?
4.
Oh, Tony, that's good. Let's make a rectangle pizza with 4. Cut away on your cutty McJinger thing.
Here we go this way. All right, there's the 2. Now we're going to cut this away. Oh,
Tony, very good. So Tony, what I'm going to do, I'm going ahead and write the denominator. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 pieces. I'm going to put 4 here. Now, Tony, of this pizza, how many pieces are you going to take?
I'm going to get to these 2 right here.
Perfect. So, Tony, if you take those 2, I have 2 left, so we both have 2 4s. Now, what's tricky about this rectangle, friends, is this can be cut so many ways. It might be cut like this. It also can actually be cut like this, where you just have strips of them like that. That's awful. There's no telling what you can cut, but remember, the denominator goes on the bottom, how many pieces you got. And then the very top one, the numerator, how many pieces are you highlighting? What is selected? We've had a great time here at Tony's. Tony's Chef Kitchen Action, and we appreciate him teaching us all about the fractions. And Tony, thanks for letting us come.
And the go Vols.